I love the details on this gown. In case you're looking for that Ankara gown style that is a little bit, that is stylish, you understand, also simple, here it is. This is so beautiful. Even this particular one, the details on this gown, like from the neck to the sleeve, even the fabric combination is just everything, guys. Even the flow of this gown is everything. This particular gown, everything about this gown is just beautiful. The sleeve and the flace. So just stay tuned. You are going to be seeing unique styles like this, both skirts and blouse and gown styles. So just stay tuned. This video is actually a recommended video from one of my viewers, so she recommended for something like this. So just stay tuned. You are going to be loving all the styles. They are all stylish and beautiful. So if today is the first time of visiting this channel, or today is the first time of hearing my voice, you are most definitely welcome. My name is Ihunda Jennifer. So this channel is all about promoting our African clothes style, showing you the beautiful styles you can design with our Ankara prints and other fabrics. So if today is the first time, please subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. It's free of charge. You are not paying for it. I'll be leaving you right now to enjoy this video to the end. This gown is just so mature, beautiful. You can wear it to wedding, to any kind of event, guys. So I'll be leaving you right now. Bye for now. See you on the next video.